So, hey everyone, this is MC. In this video, we're just gonna basically give him a medium length haircut. We're gonna trim this around the ears. We're gonna take a little bit off the top. We're gonna cut the curls out and just make it nice and neat. So basically what he's gonna do is gonna push it straight back like this, and it's gonna be nice and clean. All right? There you go. So first thing we're doing here is we're gonna section the top off. Alright, a little trick here with the masks, we're just gonna flip it so this part goes down, not across, so it doesn't bother us when we cut here. Same thing on this side. So there is many ways to actually do this haircut, okay? I can do scissor, I can do razor. We are gonna do scissors today. You can start from here, go that way, and you can do like this. Scissor over comb, so scissor over knuckles, and then come from here and do palm to palm, go this way. You can start just from here and go all the way around, which is traditional. Most of the barbers do that. And we're gonna actually do that. That way we can also start here with the length that we prefer, okay? All right, sir, so let's look at this. Do you think that this would be good, short enough, or should we probably go shorter?
You can go a little shorter, sure.
So maybe like this?
Yeah.
All right. So let's start with this, and if you want any shorter, we definitely can go shorter. So actually I'm gonna do palm to palm here. And we'll follow this process all the way around.
You were born here, right?
So that's gonna be in the video.
My father was born here. Grandfather was born here.
So a lot of times I tell these guys, watch what you're saying, because we don't
Yeah,
edit the
right,
videos.
right.
We don't wanna.
Yeah, if there's no edits, there's no tricks, right? One
No,
shot.
listen, I actually make my videos because this is the thing. I get students from around the country, even from around the world. I had a student from India, and I don't want them to come here expecting something that I cannot do.
Right, it's
You know?
like slick, sure.
Yeah, so this way they can see what I do. They can see that I make mistakes, that I do what I do, that, you know, so when they come, they know what they're expecting, and there is no disappointment. Honestly, anybody who came here was extremely happy, because they usually get more than they expect, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Good, man.
Because a lot of the YouTubers, and I'm not trying to talk bad about YouTubers, but they edit their videos, they, you know.
Right, so
Make
some of
it-
that stuff that happens after the
Yeah.
actual content is shot.
Yeah, we actually don't do any of it. So when I take my sections here, I take them straight out at 90 degrees, and I cut between my first and second knuckle. That is very important when you do scissor over comb, so scissor over knuckles. as well when you do razor work. Okay?
You want to get through here again?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Now cutting it this way, palm to palm, instead of going palm over knuckles, it's actually a lot more technical because it's just the way you grab the sections. And what I mean by it, I'll tell you right now in a minute. So look, when I take my sections for palm to palm, I section them like this, and I pull the hair, and I go this way, okay? Palm over knuckle would be, I would have to take my sections this way, so I'm not very accurate with my sectioning here.
Palm over palm allows you to be more precise.
In this case, yes. Not always though, but in this case. Because if I went palm over knuckle from this side, went this way, then it would be same as if you are doing palm to palm from this side. How's the weather in Carolina?
It's not too different than here, maybe a little warmer, but it's, I mean, down there, we're right near the coast, so it'll be like
You speak Polish too?
What's that?
You speak Polish?
I'm still in there.
You speak Polish or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
When I came to this country, I didn't speak English at all.
Oh yeah.
So this is right after the war. Not right after, but it was in 48.
It's about $100. Yep.
No, hold on. Yeah, hold it.
No, it's good. It's good.
Hold on.
It's good. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Wait. And I lost it.
Action. Once we shaved him up, right? We're gonna just go with scissor over comb and just maybe get a little closer here and see if we are anywhere uneven. But it seems like I did pretty good job with the, you know, with my guide. So it seems like all is pretty good. is just to soften this up a little bit.
When you do that, how far are you, or how much pressure are you putting on the razor?
Very little, almost none. Razor is not about how much pressure you put with the razor. It's the angle you are holding your razor at. So if your angle is, let's say, 90, no matter how much pressure you put, it hardly cuts anything. If your razor is at angle at, let's say, 15, it will cut a lot. So it's not about, you know, the pressure. It's about angle. We're gonna start from the crown. This is our guide right here. So I pick up the guide from the bottom. It's right here, and then I'm gonna follow that. Okay, and then the front I want to leave longer. So I'm gonna be over directing towards the front. Towards the back now. Assalamu alaikum. Co spalo? Kasniš, ja?
When you say over direct, what's a
So I'm
taking
gonna,
a bigger section?
no, I'm gonna over direct, like I'm gonna keep these sections coming this way, like pulling them towards me
Oh, okay. I got you.
instead of cutting straight at 90. You see like how I'm coming this way?
That way it's shorter in the back.
So the back is blended, the crown is blended with the back, but the front I want to keep longer. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I want this part to get longer as I go.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Tuesday to
Oh yeah, Tuesday.
Tuesday to Saturday.
Tuesday. Through Saturday?
Yes.
I have to stand in front of the client,
Have a good day.
so my fingers are pointing down.
Do I call you before
Yeah, you can call and then they put you in
before
the.
I show up?
You can call, but it's up to you.
Call you before I show up?
Yeah. Alright.
Have a good night, Jeff.
Thank you.
Refine this connection with the top. And I'm gonna take this an angle like this, you see?
To still keep the top longer, right? I mean the front longer?
Yes. So my friend from North Carolina, this was actually a treat because So this is
you have enough
the
one?
combination of
What's the name?
scissors and a razor.
John?
Your classic medium cut.
You're 10 o'clock, right?
Yeah, it's not 10 o'clock anymore.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
How much longer?
Alright guys, this is medium length cut. Thank you for watching my channel. This is MC Barber here. Thank you so much. Until next time, take care of yourself.
Maybe